Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we bring to you an exciting, interesting product gifting idea every single day. I am Shubra Acharya and I am the COO at OffiNeeds.com. Today I have here with me the Immuno Plus Immunity Boosting Kit. Now what it is it's a power of 3 herbal combinations to boost immunity. It has 3 different products in it. One is the Chawanprash capsules, then it has Tulsi drops and a Herbal kada. These immunity boosters purify blood, eliminate toxins, normalizes blood pressure. Basically a great product for you to be having on a daily basis to boost your immunity in these difficult times. Let's dive into it and see what products that are there. This is the Herbal kada powder. You just mix it with 100 ml of water. Have it twice a day, 5 grams of it with 100 ml of water. Mix it with a little bit of honey, and it's a great antioxidant and also helps boost immunity very well. The second product is Chawanprash capsules. Again, this one can just be swallowed with water and you can have it at least twice a day. 1 or 2 capsules twice a day. The third one is Tulsi drops. This is recommended to be had twice a day mixed with water and some honey, or you can have it just with plain water and then follow it up with a glass of juice. Now, considering these difficult times and how important it is that all of us build our immunity, these 3 are a great combination to start with, and they'll keep you sorted for about 30 to 45 days. If it's a family of 4 or 5 people, you could get 3 or 4 such packets and everybody in your house is taken care of. Isn't this a great product for you to gift to your employees to ensure that they stay safe and healthy during these difficult times? Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and comment below. Do follow us on thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube for a new corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in the next episode.